Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. BNB also one of the more interesting charts where we moved up here in a wave 1 and we're currently coming down in a wave 2. Two interpretations possible here, in that the wave 2, which would bottom out between $205 and $250, that's the plan, that this consists of an ABC structure. This ABC would be a little bit out of phase with Ethereum. As you can see here in the C wave, we've only done the wave 1, the wave 2, and we would still wait for a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 to come. This is a stronger move down than I would expect for Ethereum. Therefore, I'm a bit skeptical about this. This would take it down quite a lot compared to what I think Ethereum is doing, and could even take us down to $220, $205. Below $205, this breakout scenario is probably not going to happen anymore. Okay, then the bullishness is over. So this is just the point from which a bullish breakout scenario will get very unlikely. Therefore, the other possibility on the chart is that this here is actually a WXY scenario. And in the Y wave, this here is the wave A, this is the wave B, and we're coming down only once more in a wave C that could top out or bottom out in the region between 230 and 240. That would be more in line with what I expect for Ethereum. So it's a strong chart. I would personally add to my portfolio in this green area. The only other thing is, if we already earlier than expected break out above the $300 level, then I have to assume that the bottom was already in, and that we never reached this green area. This green area, however, is the area where I would expect in a wave 2 the price to get into with a high likelihood. So let me just move that out. So this is based on fibs and also fib extensions if I measure from the other side. So you can see this area consists of the 61.8% fib level at 241 and 215. To be honest, we already reached the 50% fib level, so maybe I even need to move that a bit higher. But I would still, because the subwaves don't look complete, the subwaves don't look complete, I would primarily expect a little bit of a lower dip. Therefore, I had it a little bit further down. So they just don't look complete, all right? So especially with this latest lower low, it suggests that this is a 1-2 setup or an AB, and we would come down in a C to make one more lower low. And then we could move up in a wave 3 afterwards. So that's the plan. Very important to highlight again that the 205 level is very important on the downside. That is this swing low here that we have. If we lose this level, it's getting a bit critical. And I would then say that this has no chance for a breakout anymore, or only very limited possibilities. Now, if we measure the fib extensions and talk about a target for that third wave to the upside, let's say we bottom out around 230, then the target would be $478 to the upside. Or it takes a bit longer here, but this is sort of the target we would expect if this movement works out to the upside. And that's my update about BNB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.